Hi, everyone. My name is Asma Isak. I'm the CEO of Modere, and today I'm really pleased to be able to share with you a little bit more about the science behind collagen and specifically about our proprietary line of liquid Biocell products. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. 80% of our skin, bones, joints, connective tissues are comprised of this molecule that's responsible for the strength and rigidity behind all of our connective tissues. And collagen supplementation can promote youthful skin that appears firm, plump, and elastic, and help our joints stay mobile and active as well. Collagen is actually really critical in making sure that we look and feel our best. In fact, collagen declines its rate of synthesis in our body over time. Hyaluronic acid is another molecule that coexists with collagen in our body that also declines over time. When both of these components are declining over time, we start to see not just the visible, but also the physical signs of aging as early as our 20s. We go from being supple and have so much HA that binds moisture to our cells with plump, radiant skin to basically dehydrating from the inside out as we're aging. And unfortunately, collagen loss is unavoidable just because we can't actually reverse age, and of course, there's so many other factors that contribute to collagen loss and accelerate that loss. In fact, stress accelerates collagen loss, environmental exposure, not just environmental toxins in the air, but also sun exposure, UV ray exposure that is very damaging to the skin and to health in general. Repetitive physical activity is also affected by collagen loss. In fact, athletes and people who exercise really need healthy levels of collagen and hyaluronic acid to be able to be performing at their best and to be able to make sure that they don't have deterioration, of their joint cartilage over time from the overuse of their joints. The global collagen market has been on the rise. You've probably seen collagen supplements in many different places at this point, even topical collagen creams. The market right now exceeds about $3.5 billion, and that's poised to actually more than double to $7.5 billion by 2027 alone. And so the question is all the money that people are spending, that consumers are spending on collagen products, are they worth it? Well, what the beauty and nutrition industry don't want you to know is that a lot of these collagen products, can't actually increase collagen production or synthesis. And in fact, collagen in its natural state is a macromolecule. It weighs in the millions of daltons. And so it's very, very difficult to absorb, if at all, being able to be absorbed. And so there's very little evidence, in fact, science behind many of the products that are out in the market today. They lack sufficient evidence on their finished products to demonstrate the efficacy that many people assume behind the product. But that's really where we've stepped in. We've developed a product line called Liquid Biocell that has been a pioneer of the collagen supplement and topical industry for many years at this point. So what has made Liquid Biocell such a phenomenal success all over the world is really its efficacy. It works. And the reason why it works is it's backed by multiple human clinical trials and studies that show its efficacy, whether we're talking about reducing wrinkles from the inside out to improving skin elasticity. In fact, one of the clinical trials showed that dryness and scaling diminished drastically without even using any topical moisturizers. Another study showed microcirculation in the skin is increased, giving the skin a very healthy glow. And that comes down to another study that showed HA levels in the body increased by 6,000%. And much of it happened in the first week, which is why people start to see the efficacy of taking the products very soon after starting taking the products as well. In addition to elevating levels of HA, the products also show that there's an inhibition of hyaluronidase happening as well, which means that you're actually suppressing the culprit in your body that's breaking down HA all the time, so thereby preserving it. No wonder people are seeing that their healthy glow, their skin suppleness is coming back. It also improves joint mobility and lubrication. There's a number of human clinical trials that show its efficacy on improving joint discomfort, promoting healthy cartilage and connective tissues, which means that it contributes to healthy tendons and ligaments, not just the joints as well. In addition, of course, like I mentioned, collagen HA are in our bodies, 80% of our connective tissue is comprised of it. So it actually helps to promote healthy nails, hair, gums, and eyes as well. It's a critical component to our body. So you've seen some of the science that demonstrates the efficacy behind the Liquid Biocell line. But there's a lot of companies who try to copy or imitate, our products. And unfortunately, is never matched. The efficacy and the results just do not show in the ways that they do with our product line. And there's a number of reasons for that. First of all, it comes down to our collagen HA matrix technology. Remember that Liquid Biocell is not just collagen. It is a naturally occurring composition of collagen, chondroitin sulfate, and HA that naturally occurs and coexists together from a single source in nature. Now, our joint cartilage, our human articular cartilage, is comprised of those very precise things in the same ratio as well. So we believe that our body really recognizes it upon ingestion. In addition, the secret behind Liquid Biocell comes down to the micromolecules. The collagen micromolecules, we use a patented biooptimization process that allows us to get the molecules down to a size that we've identified is optimal for absorption. Again, collagen and HA and even chondroitin sulfate are macromolecules weighing in the millions of daltons, and we've discovered a way to be able to minimize these molecule size down to a particular molecular weight range that's shown the best for absorption. It actually enhances, that's why it enhances bioavailability and is so effectively absorbed. So the proof is really not just in the science, but actually in the pictures that you see here. These are just some examples of what we see happening for people who are taking Liquid Biocell. You can see the dramatic decrease in the number of wrinkles and fine lines, the healthy glow coming back. In fact, certainly it's made a drastic improvement. In summary, Liquid Biocell is backed by multiple patents. It has won many, many awards and is clinically proven with science and clinical trials that demonstrate its efficacy. It has been the subject of many different awards and recognition, many media mentions, as well as being the pioneer in collagen science and research. And in fact, our product line has won everything from, best anti-aging product to the best bone and joint health ingredient, and as an exemplary brand representing the space altogether. In our Liquid Biocell product line, we also have Modera Collagen Sciences Trim, which is combining the collagen HA matrix along with conjugated linoleic acid, which creates better body composition in addition to elevating the levels of collagen and HA in the body. And this is a weight management product. It actually won the best weight management product of the year by Supply Side West. The collagen HA matrix technology is also available in Modera Logic with Tetra Blend Coffee and in Modera Logic Creamer, which is another additional way to get more collagen HA in your regimen and in a healthy, great tasting beverage. Another award-winning line for us is our Modera Cell-Proof Skincare line. This actually utilizes the science behind collagen HA matrix that's existing in our ingestible Liquid Biocell line, and actually has made it into a cosmetic grade so that topically we can deliver the micromolecules, the collagen and HA micromolecules, to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and add moisture to the skin. Another award-winning product line. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for your interest in Liquid Biocell.